Hello everyone and welcome to our next video on Simple AI with Python and Colab. And what we do today is once again we work with texts. And I was always wondering, what if I learn all the service or auxiliary words in foreign language such as prepositions, articles, particles, pronouns? How much of the foreign text I will be able to understand? That's what we'll find out today. And we shall use another NLP monster which is called spaCy. Luckily it is pre-installed in Colab environment and we'll just download language specific information. Let's do this. And today we shall speak Spanish language. And the text we have, it will be classic one, Don Quixote, chapter from Don Quixote book by Miguel de Cervantes. Let's open the file and read from it. You see? El ingenioso hidalgo Don Quixote de la Mancha. It's just one chapter. Next, what we do is we create a Spanish-speaking object. We load our model into a processor. And then we process our text, but make it lowercase, so that there are no capital letters. And my idea is that we take all the certain parts of speech to one side and all the other part of speech to the other side, and we count how many of these words and how many of those words. And these are all parts of speech that are supported by spaCy. As adjectives, adpositions, adverbs, nouns, pronouns, whatever, even abracadabras and symbols. Okay? So I create two lists. One is a list of parts of speech we include into consideration, and another one is parts of speech we exclude, which is abracadabras, spaces, punctuation, symbols, whatever, not important, non-meaningful. Then we derive all the service or auxiliary words which are in Incolpo's list, and then we count all words, and we run through the loop and we take distinct words for each part of speech which is included into our consideration as service or auxiliary, and then we calculate what is the coverage of text by service words, what is the percentage. Let's run. Well, you see that a total of 60 service words cover almost half of the text. And these are the words del, de, para, con, en, por, nada, el, lo, otro. So, if you learn 60 Spanish words, you will be able to understand almost half of Don Quixote. How cool is that? Okay, so today we have looked at another NLP AI, which is spaCy. It is pretty cool. It's not all its possibilities. It can do a lot of things such as lemmatization, vectorization, all the coolest things. Okay, so try this one. See you later. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to simpleai.net. See you, bye.